Hello everyone, in this video I will solve the Rubik's Cube at the same time as I'm PKing. So yeah, wish me good luck. I'll start recording when I find the fight. Okay, let's attack this guy then. Why would he want to attack me? I'm Mage Brain. Okay, let's start solving the cube. Please just die. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Let's keep solving the cube. I'm doing the green side first. Like that. It's already done. The whole layer. Let's poke him with the edges. Eat. Spec time. Nope. That didn't go as planned. Okay, let's keep solving this. Like that. Eat, brew. He didn't spec. That was lucky. Okay. Oh, like that. Wow. That was lucky once again. Like that. And wow, the cube is almost solved. Look at this. Look at this. And I killed him. Wow. Success. First try. That was awesome.
Are you serious? That was crazy. He should be way happier. And to anybody calling bullshit, the world record for solving a Rubik's Cube is just over 5.5 seconds. So there's nothing too unbelievable about this. It's just super awesome. And I can't believe you got the kill. So well done, Master Rubik's Cube Swedish PK commentator guy. That's definitely one way to make PKing a little more challenging. But next time, let's see you do it with a blindfold.
Was?
Ben Oyupan?
Ben.
What day?
Ben.
Ben what?
Dover. Dover.
D-O...
O-V